Hello guys, so I actually made a video before this. I made a video on reacting of it was a reaction video of Jamaicans making jerk chicken. But because of copyright, even though I edited it down, it still was flagged for copyright. So no one can see it. I mean, unless you click on my channel, I don't. Anyways, so I had to dispute it because it was a fair use. So I was using it because yeah, I'm allowed to have a freedom of my opinion. Anyways, I know my hair looks crazy, but it's okay. It's kind of a look. It's kind of a look if you think about it. But anyways, today's video is going to be about five things five things that I would do in an apocalypse, okay? Five things that I would do. Number one, I'm gonna make sure that I have a meal plan, okay? When that alarm system goes off, I'm gonna make sure that my belly is full because one thing about it is that running for zombies is not gonna stop me from making sure that I have my water, I have my snacks, I have my, you know what I mean? Like fear won't stop me from making a meal plan. So let's get that one thing straight. The first thing I'm gonna do is get a meal plan. Okay? A meal plan is the first thing that comes to my head. I see the zombies outside. Okay, cool. Time for me to put some peanut butter and jelly sandwich into a Ziploc bag. Maybe make like 10 of those. And then yeah, put in my little backpack. Number two, I don't think I'll ever leave my apartment. You think that I'm going to exit out my apartment, which probably has more zombies out there? I'm gonna leave? No, I'm going to be in here. This is going to be my sanctuary. I don't care. This will be the house. When God wants you to stay in the house, you must stay in the house. So will be the apartment that I stay in because there's no way I'm going to be running out there for zombies to eat me and then I turn into a zombie. No, I don't want that, and I'm sure you don't want that. So that's the second one. Number three, I'm still gonna keep my cats with me. So that's why number two is me staying in the house because I feel like number three, I'm a protector, I'm a mother, okay? I'm a cat mother and I don't want my cats being I don't want to know that I'm like say what's happening, I'm out there and my cats are in here with no mother, with no one to take care of them and love them for who they are. So I'm definitely going to be in the house, not because I want to be in the house and be protected, but because of my cats. I'm a mother. Number four. Number four. I'm sorry. If it's nighttime and the zombies are like sleeping or whatever, that's when I'll leave the house. The house to just break into a store and grab some more snacks because sometimes the snacks will run out. So sometimes you have to refill your snack bar. So what I'm gonna do, because there's a convenience store right across from me and there's a McDonald's right across from me, I'm going to quickly sneak out of this house. Grab some snacks, grab some medicine, grab some, the water, everything with a big cart. And I'm gonna take my car too because there's not gonna be zombies in my car because, zombies don't know how to drive. So I'm gonna speed, I'm gonna hop in my car, I'm gonna speed, and I'm gonna drive to the convenience store. And then pack up my stuff, pack them up, and then I'm gonna speed all the way back here, even though it's like a 2-minute speed. So it's a 1 minute. And then I'm gonna, quickly run upstairs with the groceries. I don't care if I'm out of breath. Go in my apartment and lock it. So hopefully all the zombies in this apartment are like gone in their home or like because they're zombies. Sometimes people lock their door, right? So there will be zombies stuck in their apartment because zombies are not that smart to you know, open the door. Let's be real. But they're probably not zombie. They're probably staying in their house like me. And honestly, the zombies will come in. I don't think that much zombies will come in, especially since if you think about it, like the apartment building is locked. Unless some idiot was running from zombies and they let the zombie in, we're doomed. But if we think about it logically, there's no way the zombies can come in. So, yeah, that's, yeah. Number five. I know for a fact that my man, he is very adventurous. I'm not as adventurous as he is. So I know for a fact that he's gonna be out there trying to survive. When I tell you this man is gonna be out there, be on adventures, fighting zombies, trying to survive, blah blah blah. While I'm in my cozy home making hot chocolate and watching TV. But throughout this apocalypse, I feel like I'll be single because I'm not about to follow you in your shenanigans, and then I get killed because you want to be outside trying to find shelter. This is the shelter. So, you know what I mean? Like, let's think logical. Let's stay in the apartment. Everyone be the zombie that they want to be until everything gets fixed. Okay? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just random thoughts with Hannah because sometimes I have these thoughts of like, what if, what would I do, what would I think, what would, but yeah, these are the things that will happen. And so, guys, I hope you enjoy because I had a structured video, a reaction video, and it's gone. So, this is my post for tonight. You guys are having a wonderful day. I love you. Bye.